Hello everyone. In this video we will see that how we can assign the task in a automatic way to the sales rep. So once you're logged into your CRM in workflow, click on new, enter the name of a workflow, select the module on which module you want to run the workflow, create a lead, select the time based or event based as per your requirement. Let's suppose I'm creating on a event based and the evaluate criteria is created. So in this, whenever a new lead will be created in a CRM, this workflow will run. And date is 18th. I'll select, go to next here, click on add condition and then add rule. Add the rule here. Lead name has any value and lead current stage is all. That if any of the stage lead is created, click on save, then under actions, click on add task. Here, select the name of a person to whom you want to assign this task. Here, select the name of a person to whom you want to share. Enter the title. Click on save and then again save. Now, we have created a workflow for the lead module in which if any lead is created, an automatic task will be assigned to a person to follow up on that particular lead details. Now to run the workflow, click on a run scheduler and workflow will start running. And as soon as a new lead will be created, the assigned user will receive a task notification that a new task has been assigned to you to follow up for this particular. Thank you.